Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video, we'll be discussing another popular SQL problem. So let's get right into it. We have a table called employees. Now, this employees table has two columns. We have the ID column and we have the name column. ID is the primary key, meaning column with unique values for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID and name of an employee in a company. We have another table which is employee uni. So employee uni has two columns. We have the ID column, we have the unique ID column. Now ID unique ID is the primary key combination of columns with unique values for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID and the corresponding unique ID of an employee in the company. So what we mean by that is this ID, this ID is pointing to the ID in the employees, and each employee in the company has a unique ID. I hope that's clear. We are asked to write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null. Return a result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. So we have the employees table and we have the employee uni table. And if you look at the output, so we have the unique ID and we have the name. So we can see that some of the employees do not have a unique ID, so it's null. And these are the employees who have a unique ID. So I hope you've understood the question. Now let's go ahead and construct our SQL query. So before I continue, I want to touch upon a very important aspect which is related to this question. So I would highly recommend people to have a very good understanding of joins when you come across these kind of questions. So if you look at this diagram here, in SQL, we have several kinds of joins. We have the inner join, self join, cross join, outer join. Then outer joins are divided into left outer joins, right outer joins, full outer joins. And inner joins are divided into theta joins and equi joins. So be it from an interview perspective or if you're using SQL at your work, I would highly recommend just focusing mainly on inner joins, self joins, and outer joins, because 90% of your SQL workflows will make use of these kind of joins. So I hope that's clear. Now let's go ahead and continue with constructing our SQL query. Select b dot unique id comma a dot name from employees as a left outer join employee uni as b on a dot id equals b dot id. Right. Hey, so here what I'm doing is I'm selecting. So I'm following the output, like, so this is how we require the output to be with the unique ID and the name. So I'm selecting the unique ID and name. Now what I'm doing is here I'm establishing the primary foreign key relationship. So employees is our first table. We want to perform a left outer join with the employee uni table, and this is the primary key foreign key relationship, because ID is the primary key in this table and ID is the foreign key in this table. So foreign key is generally it points to the primary key of another table. So that is what the primary foreign key is about. So I hope that's clear. Now let's run this query. Just give it a sec. All right. So you can see that our outputs are 3, 11, and then 1, 2, and 3. Sorry, this is the output, my bad. So we can see that we've got null, 1, null, 2, 3, and these are the name of the employees. So it matches with the expected output. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.